first, because I want her to get on my
You're
back.
cute, funny, and brave.
Brave. Okay.
What do
Kaylee,
you
get
mean
on my
by
back.
brave? I'm strong.
Get on my back.
Huh? What do you mean by brave?
He means brave, tough.
I'm coming out.
Oh. And I'm gonna get, hold on. I have to trip.
Ooh, watch out.
Who, me?
Yeah, we're taking a picture.
Oh!
Okay, all three of us.
Try not to get my hair.
Stop. Don't touch me there. Yeah.
No, look up here too.
Now get off.
My turn. My turn.
Okay, Kimmy and Kaylee real quick.
Here,
At me.
at her.
Not at the ground. Okay.
Wait, look there, too.
Adam.
What?
Come here.
Wait, no, we still want to get there. After you're done looking up there, look at that camera there.
Okay, you guys ready?
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.